Hello everyone, this is Gloria and welcome to my channel. Today we are making a crispy and crunchy chicken wings. All we need is about 12 to 15 chicken wings. We will marinate it with soya sauce, salt, pepper, chicken seasoning. This is perfect for your lunch or dinner together with rice, as we Filipinos love to eat rice. As they say in the Philippines, rice is life. This is perfect for your snacks too. And surely your whole family will enjoy it. And then add 1 egg. And then mix it together. Mix until the chicken absorbs the sauce. And then we will leave it for about 1 hour before frying it. Do you love to eat chicken wings too? If so, comment downstairs so I know if you are a chicken lover too. Here it is, the chicken is done. And then we have to prepare our pan. Fill it with oil. While waiting for the oil to be warm, I dip the chicken wings with flour. Just see how I make it. I just dip all the chicken with flour while waiting for the oil to be warm. I love this, and sure you love it too. And the oil is warm enough, so I will fry the chicken now. I put the chicken one by one. Maybe in the pan I put about 7 pieces. And then I fry them 10 minutes one side and then 10 minutes in the other side to be sure that the chicken is cooked. Because when you are rushing, sometimes the chicken is not cooked. There is still blood inside. So to make sure that it is really cooked, you have to lower down the fire and then fry it longer. And then you see it is done, so I have to pick it up now. You see, yummy, yummy. I'm so hungry now while doing this. I think I prepare my rice too. I start to cook the rice. And then now it is done. I will put it in a tissue paper so it's not too oily. There, looks yummy. I think everyone is hungry now. There it is. Let's start to eat. Wow, my favorite. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.